Oke. Kita mulai. Good morning today. We will
Good
present
morning.
about nursing diagnosis. My team, group team, Ali Toat Aziz Priyana, Devi Sri Aryani, Mulyani Agustin, Putri Lenggegeni, Siti Nur Hasanah, Sitah Umu Hakim. Next. Nursing diagnosis. Please continue with the presentation, team.
Thank you. Nurses diagnosis. Conversation diagnosis and new patient. Lanjut fokus. Present picture progressive thesis. Exercise on simple picture prognosis thesis. Reading attack.
Conversation diagnosis a new patient. Mr. Smith comes to see the doctor since she is feeling unwell. Good morning, Doc.
Morning, Mrs. Smith.
Yes, I'm.
All right, sit down, please. What seemed to the problem?
Okay, thank you. I feel fever. I feel feverish, sweaty, and nauseous, Doc. I also shivered and got a bad headache.
Do you feel very?
Yes, Doc. I feel very too.
Did you do any blood transfusion recently?
No, I didn't.
Did you probably spend the night in a malaria endemic place?
Yeah, actually I did, Doc. I spent the night there for around a week for taking the data of my research.
Okay, I see.
Is that something serious, Doc?
We will know more after you do some tests in the lab. Once you have finished the test, you can come back here and we can know more after the result have come in.
Okay, Doc, thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
After doing some tests, Mrs. Smith come back to the room. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, Mrs. Smith, sit down, please.
Thank you, Doc.
Do you bring all the test results?
Yes, I do. Here they are.
Okay, let me take a look at the test result first. The doctor read the test result carefully. All right, Mrs. Smith, from the result, I can diagnose that you were infected by malaria parasite. Here it can be seen that you were positive infected by that parasite.
Yes, I see.
So, you saw by hospital, Mrs. Smith, in order that you can be treated in intensively.
Okay, Doc, I will take your suggestion. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yes, you're welcome.
Next.
Exam of expression in diagnosis. Physical. Your test result have come in. Hasil tes Anda telah keluar. You have a long road to recovery. Butuh waktu lama untuk pemulihan. We have several option to discuss. Ada beberapa opsi yang perlu kita bicarakan atau diskusikan. The blood test come back negative. Hasil tes darah menyatakan negatif. The transfusion was a success. Transfusinya berjalan lancar dan berhasil. It looks like you are ready to go home. Sepertinya Anda sudah dapat pulang. You need to be here overnight. Anda perlu rawat inap semalam lagi. We'll know more in a few days. Kita akan tahu lebih mengenai hal tersebut dalam beberapa hari. Patient. I don't understand what this mean. Saya tidak paham apa artinya ini. I'm going to need surgery. Apakah saya perlu dioperasi? Is good news or bad? Berita baik atau buruk? When will the test result come in? Kapan hasil tesnya keluar? How long I have to stay in hospital? Berapa lama saya harus dirawat di rumah sakit? What is success rate? Bagaimana tingkat kesuksesannya? Are they going to run more tests? Apakah mereka akan melakukan tes lagi? Is is this a common problem for people my age? Apakah ini masalah yang umum bagi orang-orang seumuran seperti saya? I didn't like to the success other opinion. Saya akan membicarakan opsi lainnya. I'm going to get a second opinion. Saya perlu dapat opini dari pihak lain. Next.
Oke, I'm lanjut. Pasien symptom. If good a high temperature. Saya demam tinggi. I feel really exhausted. Saya merasa sangat lelah. Could you check my blood pressure? I've got high blood pressure recently. Dapatkah Anda mengecek tekanan darah saya? Tekanan darah saya tinggi akhir-akhir ini. I feel a pain here. Saya merasakan sakit di sini. I feel dizzy. I've got a kidney problem. I feel lost weight. Saya merasa pusing. Saya memiliki masalah pada ginjal. Saya kehilangan berat badan. I always feel bad after meals. If good stomachitis. Saya selalu merasa tidak enak setelah makan. Saya merasa sakit perut. If good as building healthy often have nosebleeds. Saya sakit kepala, serasa mau pecah. Saya sering mimisan. Pasien simptom. Oke, next.
Patient symptom. I have diarrhea. I've lost my appetite. Saya diare, saya kehilangan nafsu makan. I I I I have got blood circulation problem. I sweat alright. Saya memiliki masalah sirkulasi darah. Saya berkeringat semalaman. My ears are buzzing. Telinga saya berdengung. I have sprained or ankle. Pergelangan kaki saya keseleo. My hand is badly swollen. Tangan saya bengkak parah. I have an injury in my leg. Saya memiliki luka di kaki. I have had measles. Saya terkena cacar air. Is it something serious? Is this a common problem at my age? Apakah ini hal yang serius? Apakah ini masalah yang umum pada usia saya? I hope there won't be any complication. Saya harap tidak akan ada komplikasi. Next.
Patient symptom. Will you reserve some medicine for me? Dapatkah Anda menulis resep obat untuk saya? How often shall I take this medicine? Seberapa sering saya harus meminum obat ini? Shall I come back next week if I don't get better? Apakah saya perlu kembali lagi minggu depan jika saya tidak kunjung membaik? Medicine, medical equipment, and tools. Pill, tablet, kapsul, sirup, ointment, cream, eye drops, injection, tranquilizer, painkiller, antiseptic, bandage, brace, gauze, plaster, elastic tape, thermometer, stethoscope, steering, forceps, oxygen mask, test tube, vial, protest, wheel care. Next, kita lanjut. Nursing diagnosis, Nanda. A nursing diagnosis is one of nursing process. It is a medical judgment about individual, actual or potential health problem. It also examines a problem response with present during assessment. Nursing diagnosis is development for data gained during nursing assessment. The North American Nursing Diagnosis Association, NANDA, a body of professional nurse, manage an unofficial list of nursing diagnoses. The following is the list of the new NANDA nursing diagnosis. Question: what is nursing diagnosis? What is the name of the official body that manage nursing diagnosis? With Don reform new NANDA nursing diagnosis. Next.
16 new.
16 new NANDA.
Okay. Next.
16 new NANDA nursing diagnosis. Number 1, risks for infective activity planning, risiko ketidakefektifan aktivitas pencernaan. Number 2, risks for adverse reaction to iodinated kontras media, risiko reaksi merugikan pada media kontras yodium. Number 3, risk for allergy response, risiko respon terhadap alergi. Number 4, insufficient breast milk, ASI yang tidak cukup. Number 5, ineffective childbearing process, ketidakefektifan proses melahirkan. Number 6, risk for infective childbirth process, resiko ketidakefektifan proses melahirkan. Number 7, risk for dry eye, resiko mata kering. Number 8, deficient community health, kurangnya kesehatan masyarakat. Number 9, ineffective impulse control, ketidakefektifan kontrol detak jantung. Number 10, risk for neonatal jaundice, risiko penyakit kuning pada bayi. 11, risk for disrupt personal identity, risiko identitas personal yang terganggu. Ineffective relationship, ketidakefektifan hubungan. Risk for infective relationship, risiko ketidakefektifan hubungan. Risk for chronic low self-esteem, risiko tidak percaya diri kronis. Risk for thermal injury, risiko luka bakar. Risk for infective peripheral tissue, risiko ketidakefektifan perfusi sekitar jaringan. Next.
Future progressive tense. Future progressive tense adalah tenses yang digunakan untuk menandakan bahwa kita akan berada di tengah-tengah suatu kejadian dalam waktu tertentu. Penggunaan will, shall, dan to be, going to masih berlaku dalam tense ini dan maknanya sama. Verbal sentence. Positive sentence subject plus will, shall plus
main pukul aja
plus object. Positive sentence subject plus is em, are plus going to plus be verb ing plus object. Example: I will be watching a movie tonight. Saya akan sedang menonton film nanti malam. John will be reading a magazine tomorrow. John akan sedang membaca majalah besok. He is going to be checking her book orders at tomorrow. Dia akan sedang memeriksa pesanan bukunya pada jam 7 pagi besok. My girlfriend is going to be meet at 4 p.m. next Saturday night. Pacarku akan sedang menemaniku pada pukul 4 malam minggu depan. Verbal sentence, negative sentence, subject plus will plus shall, plus not, plus be, plus verb ing, plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus is, am, are, plus not, going to, plus be, verb ing, plus object. Example, I will not be watching a movie tonight. Saya tidak akan sedang menonton film nanti malam. John will not be reading a magazine tomorrow. John tidak akan sedang membaca majalah besok. He is not going to be checking her book orders at 7 at tomorrow. Dia tidak akan sedang memeriksa pesanan bukunya pada jam 7 pagi besok. My girlfriend is not going to be meeting me at 4 p.m. next Saturday night. Pacarku tidak akan sedang menemaniku pada pukul 4 malam minggu depan. Next.
Verbal thesis. Verbal sentence. Integrative sense. Will or shall plus subject plus be verb ing plus object. Integrative sentence is or am or are plus subject plus going to plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example, will you be watching movie tonight? Apakah kamu akan sedang menonton film nanti malam? Answer, yes, I will. Or no, I will not. 2. Will John be reading a magazine tomorrow? Apakah John akan sedang membaca majalah besok? Answer, yes, he is. Or no, he is not. Is he going to be checking her book order at 7 a.m. tomorrow? Apakah dia akan sedang memeriksa pesanan bukunya pada jam 7 pagi besok? Answer, yes, he is. Or no, he is not. Is my girlfriend going to be meeting me at 4 p.m. next Saturday night? Apakah pacarku akan sedang menemuiku pada pukul 4 malam minggu depan? Answer, yes, she is. Or no, she is not. Time signal at this time tomorrow. Pada waktu ini besok. At the same time tomorrow. Pada waktu yang sama besok. At this time next year. Pada waktu ini tahun depan. At this 7 p.m. tomorrow. Pada pukul 7 petang besok. Next.
Oke, tim. Thank you very much. New presentasi. Thanks. See you later.
Welcome.